It's something that we truly, really need to roll out drums and be proud of, because what that is about indeed, we're putting the Lekki Free Port, we're putting Lagos, we're putting Nigeria into the world's global logistics marine business. Given the size of the vessels that we can receive, given the size of the business that can come to our community, the Lekki Free Port and the Lekki Port itself has put and enshrined, our name as one of the big movers of port transactions in the world.